this video tutorial, we use a LEGO Education Spy Prime and we use the motion sensor of this robot to try to move forward and to keep a straight line. In this tutorial, we demonstrate something like a duck-type walking.
Find this and more tutorials at FLLCasts.com.